Dealing with dog hair on carpets can be a common challenge for pet owners. And the accumulation of fur on carpets can be unsightly and even contribute to allergies. However, with the right techniques and tools, you can effectively remove dog hair from your carpet. Rubber gloves are a good option for removing dog hairs. These gloves create static which attracts dog hair from the carpet and sticks it on the gloves instead. So you only have to rub them over the dirty spot to start picking up those pesky hairs. For carpets with longer fibers, squeegee can be highly effective. Run squeegee across the carpet in one direction, and you will notice that dog hair clings to the rubber surface. This method is particularly useful for lifting embedded hairs that may not be easily picked up by a vacuum. Baking soda not only remove dog hair, but also eliminate odors. Sprinkle baking soda over the carpet. Allow it to sit for at least 15 minutes to absorb odors and loosen hair. Then vacuum thoroughly. This will help to remove pet hair and odors from your carpet. Pet hair rubber broom is specially designed as a carpet brush for dog hair remover. Effie Remover Pet Hair Rubber Broom attracts pet hair like a magnet and easily remove fur from carpets. It has natural rubber, which is easy to clean and requires little maintenance. Lint rollers are handy tools for quick spot cleaning. Scotch-Brite Hair Lint Roller sticks to pet hair and lint, but not to clothing. It gives you damage-free clean and remove pet hair from clothing and other fabrics easily. Vacuum Cleaner makes cleaning around furniture, carpets and other obstacles easy. Bissell Vacuum Cleaner lifts and removes embedded pet hair from your carpet easily. It comes with Pet Turbo Eraser tool to clean stairs, upholstery and more. Remember to groom your dog regularly to minimize shedding. By incorporating these methods into your routine, you can keep your carpets clean and free of dog hair. If dog hair cleaning methods do not work, then consider professional carpet cleaning services.